Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to save a WhatsApp status video in your mobile gallery. So how to do this? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start it. Okay guys, first of all going to your Android mobile phone, and after that go to your Google Play Store. Go to your Google Play Store, and in the search box type a status saver. When you search a status saver, then you can see a lot of number of applications names as status saver, but you can select a status saver which is developed by Lazy. So now you can see that 4.4 is an excellent rating, and approximately you can see that 390,000 reviews and 10 million plus downloads. So first of all, download this application and install in your mobile phone, and it's a very small application, just 3.85 MB size, and after downloading that, it's automatically installation will be started. So I just wait for few seconds to complete installation. Okay guys, after installation that you can just open it. Now after that, grant permissions, allow it to access your photos, medias and files on your device, and click on it. Now you can see that it's a message show that nothing, any image status available. If you go to your video section, and when you go to your video section, select a video which is want to download, and hold on, and when you hold on it, then you can watch some options appear on front. Now first is a copy, save, share and delete. Now click on a save icon. When you click on it, now this video will be saved in your mobile phone. Now after that, go back, I will check you. Okay guys, go to your gallery. Now you can see that this video is appear. So this is the way to download any application in your status video in your mobile phone gallery. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.